Today's math objective is to simplify an expression using the distributive property. But what does distributive property even mean? I think we need a mathematician to help us out. Ah, there's one. That's Fibonacci, the greatest mathematician of the Middle Ages. He wrote a book of calculation that helped introduce the Arabic numerals to the European world. Here's a sequence named after him. So Fibonacci, what does distributive property even mean? Distribute means to give out equally. All right, so sounds like we'll be giving out some values equally. Let's see this in action. Now let's say we had 2 and then parentheses. Inside of those parentheses we have 5 Snickers plus 3 Kit Kats. Now this 2 and then this parentheses, that's symbolically telling us we have 2 groups of 5 Snickers and 3 Kit Kats. So we could write it like this. Here's our first group of 5 Snickers and 3 Kit Kats. And here's our second group of 5 Snickers and 3 Kit Kats. Let's give a few pictures for this instead. That looks a little more delicious. So altogether, if we counted our Snickers, we would have 10 of them. And if we counted our Kit Kats, we would have 6. So 2 groups of 5 Snickers and 3 Kit Kats is exactly right. 10 Snickers and 6 Kit Kats. So we can do this another way. We can do this using the distributive property. I'm going to use this 2. I'm going to distribute it. I'm going to give out a factor of 2 to the 5 Snickers and give out a factor of 2 to the 3 Kit Kats. It's going to look something like this. See, 2 times the 5 Snickers and 2 times the 3 Kit Kats. And when I multiply each one of those products, I get 10 Snickers and 6 Kit Kats, exactly what we got the other way. So this method is using the distributive property to simplify the above expression. Let's try it with some symbols, some numbers and letters. Okay? Now we have 6 on the outside, and on the inside of the parentheses we have 5x plus 9. Now we can't add these, they're unlike numbers, so we're going to distribute the 6. We're going to give a factor of 6 to the 5x, and we're going to give a factor of the 6 to 9. So we're kind of giving it away, Kind of like that song by the Red Hot Chili Peppers. So what we have here is 6 times 5x and 6 times 9. All we do is simplify each of those multiplication problems, and we get 30x plus 54. And we're done, because these are unlike terms, we cannot combine them. Okay, it's your turn. Now, we have 9 on the outside. We're going to multiply 9 times 5n, and then 9 times 4p. And all we do now is we simplify the multiplication problems. Got like 2 problems in one. And we have 45n and 36p. We can't do anything with the variables, so we stick them with those numbers because we can't simplify beyond this. And we can't add these. These are unlike terms. We are done. And using the distributive property is as simple as that.